Alright, let's start talking about Chapter 5. Alright, nature and classes of contracts. Basically, this chapter is just a brief overview of contracts, so let's get started. Alright, a contract is a legally enforceable agreement between two or more competent persons. Okay, so basically what we have is He-Man, right? He-Man is a legally competent person. Okay, he's going to enter into a contract with Man-E-Faces. Okay, these two individuals are going to get together and do a contract. Okay, keep that in mind. Now, breach of contract. This is a failure of one or more persons or parties to perform the obligations assumed under the contract. So when He-Man and Man-E-Faces get together, if Man-E-Faces decides that he's not going to keep up his part of the bargain, guess what? He's in breach. Now, generally there are 5 requirements for a contract, okay? Based on a mutual agreement by the parties to do or not do a specific thing, must be made by parties who are competent to enter into a contract. Promise or obligation of each party must be supported by consideration. Must be for a lawful purpose, and in certain cases, contracts should meet certain requirements, such as being in writing and whatnot. But basically, you have offer, acceptance, consideration, legal purpose, and capacity. Okay, those are generally the 5 things that you have to have. The 6th would be, in certain circumstances, a contract is going to have to be put into writing or whatnot. But we'll go into that in more detail later on. All right. Contracts versus an agreement. Okay, when parties intend, all right, intent is one of those things that's really important in the law. When parties actually intend to be legally bound by the terms of the contract, it's a contract. Okay, an agreement is more like what you say to your kid. If you clean your room, I'll get you this. Alright, is that really a legally enforceable contract? Could your kid take you to court and sue you over this? Probably not. Alright? But you have to look and see what is the intent of the parties.